Hi, Jeffrey.
Hello.
Welcome to another edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love. This is Jeffrey's first cocktail edition.
Yes, so I just had one of these. It was delicious, so I'm going to show you what's in here. First of all, there's a ginger bitters out of Brooklyn, New York that I'm using. Just a dash of that. We have some ground nutmeg. Just came from Whole Foods.
Nice.
A Big B's apple cider. It's organic. Breckenridge bourbon. If you haven't been out here to Colorado, try Breckenridge. Go over there to the tasting, the whole tour. It's incredible. So basically, and I've got a bada bing cherry going on here. I'm going to throw in to finish it. So I'm going to do 2 parts the Breckenridge bourbon. So we're going to put this in a little shaker to chill it down a bit. 2 parts, 1 dose, and then 1 for the angel. Just a little taste there.
You're feeling grateful on this beautiful Thanksgiving.
Yes. I'm just going to do a 1 part, as I said, apple cider in there as well. And then it's just basically a shake of the bitters. Just to give it a little bitter flavor, just a little shake. And we'll add the cherry and the nutmeg here at the end. So I'm just going to give this a quick toss. And generally I like to put this over a large cube, but our large cube maker is back in New York. So here we go. We'll just put this over some just regular cubes out of the fridge.
Ooh, that looks so pretty.
So that's
there's a finishing touch there.
Well, then what we do is I drop a cherry, bada bing cherry in there.
Gosh.
And then we just take a little bit of this nutmeg and sprinkle it on the top for the holiday cheer and flavor. And let's give that a taste.
Fantastic.
Second one's better than the first.
It always
Let's
is.
give a quick scan of the table here so I can get back to this food because it's incredible.
Yes, so we've got our dessert, which is a beautiful peach, raspberry, cranberry, blackberry pie. Ooh, oh my gosh, I almost lost the phone. I'm so excited about it. Green bean casserole topped with some beautiful macadamia nuts. And the salad, which you can see right here, it is a beautiful kale salad. And let me see if I can get a close-up. There are some candied walnuts and cranberries on that, and the dressing is absolutely delicious. If you're interested in any of these vegan, gluten-free recipes, let me know. I have a butternut squash soup that I've already gotten into.
Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit of paprika on that. Just a little decoration.
Just to make it pretty. And we've got a vegan mushroom gravy. It's a maitake mushroom gravy. I cannot wait. This is the only non-gluten-free item that we'll be serving for Jeffrey. And it is the 365 plant-based tofurkey. And you can see it's stuffed, and you could hear how crispy it was on the outside. And then some amazing cornbread stuffing, and there are some beautiful sauteed mushrooms and onions in that, all homemade, and a delicious mashed potatoes with the skin on. We can hardly wait. Wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love from our little nest at Copper Mountain, Colorado.
Happy holidays. We'll see you out on the slopes.